welcome to today's video. We are doing
blind
deaf. Anyways, I need to put my music on, but we are making a cake. We're gonna try and make this red.
Yo, how did you tell me?
This red velvet cake. Oh my, it's just like the light over too, bro.
Wait, what?
Lock in. Don't take it off, don't take it off.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, so, like I said, we're making a red velvet cake with cream cheese icing and red. Yeah, let's get started. Put your mask on.
Oh, I'm trying to find a snack.
Bro, I cannot hear you guys at all. Okay, who wants to pour it in?
Me.
I don't know.
Me. I want to pour it in.
Okay, we can each do an egg.
She's saying she doesn't know like
I
what it
can't
is.
hear you, Ryder.
Oh.
Skylar's gonna pour it in first. You can't see. Oh no. Talk it through, Skylar.
Alright guys, so I think that Skylar's pouring whatever this is into a bowl, hopefully. And someone's going to hand me.
You're not even in the
egg.
frame.
Am I? Someone's gonna hand me an egg and I'm gonna break it somehow. But I know how to break it with one hand. I can go. What? Skylar too.
Skylar pouring it.
No, hurry.
Help her.
Hurry.
Flip it over.
No. Hurry. Like fast. Like
Run.
fast.
Fast.
Yeah, pour it in fast.
Okay, it's all in.
Okay, where's the eggs?
Okay, next, where's the instructions? Oh, 1 cup of water.
Where's the water?
Here, you can do the 1 cup of water.
Where's the sink?
What?
Sink. Water.
It's a cup. Okay. And this much of oil. No, it's not.
What?
Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even tell I was laughing. No, I think you need a little. Ryan! Shut up!
Turn off the thing.
Okay.
Alright, let me start. Where did I go?
This much oil.
Let me pour it in.
I'm doing it.
Why are you screaming, bro?
Why is Roxy licking my toes? What? Okay, we're each gonna do an egg, but I'm scared. What? What are you laughing about? Wait, I wanna know. Let me know.
I don't know.
What are you laughing?
She's like, oh, we're seeing scary movie tonight? Okay, good. Nixon, we're seeing movie tonight.
You jump scared a movie?
No, movie tonight.
A movie tonight? Oh,
Charades.
it looks like we don't even need the eggs.
No.
Right,
Eggs.
right, look, it doesn't even look like we need eggs.
Eggs.
Okay, you get to do an egg right or in here. No.
Where?
You get to crack it in there.
No, I'm professional. I crack whatever I want.
Here. Go.
No, I crack in bowl.
No! No! Wait, you're looking it good.
Water.
Huh?
Water.
Just do it. I'm gonna mix it now. I didn't know I was doing something. No, I'm gonna mix.
Skylar,
Okay,
Nixon.
try to get the oil off
I
of the
smell
pans.
your. Yeah.
No, it's not.
Where's the oil?
Get oil for the pans. This one.
Guys, this is not gonna work. It's too watery.
Ew.
Why is it slimy?
No, the spray one.
Guys, why is it slimy? They don't know I can talk, except Ryder. I can talk.
What?
I don't know where the spray.
On the floor with SmackDown. Give me some more with SmackDown.
No. Look, right here. More. Good. The other one, go. Good.
No. Oh, how do you know where she is? Did you look?
It went on my ear. Oh, I thought that was your butt. Listen.
Did he spray you?
All over my inside.
I can't hear you.
In our ear.
In your ear? In your ear?
Like in it.
Okay, this is how it's looking.
How does it look? How does it look?
You look? No.
Is it good? I don't really know what's happening, but
I'm gonna pour the first one.
Is doing something. Nixon is
Oh, there's water in it.
also doing something. No, Nixon is called oil.
Is that good? More?
No. Good. Yo, let me pour it in.
You just look.
No, I didn't. Let me pour it. Hold on. You did the other stuff like straight in. No, I didn't, bro. Yes, you did. You helped me. Cause you were blind.
Watch SmackDown. Watch me smack that all on the floor. Give me some more.
Yeah.
No, don't actually.
We're good.
All on the floor, smack that. Someone talk.
Oh, I can't. Oh, right. Listen, we're good.
Talk.
What's up, guys? All right. I shake some frosting. I don't know what they're doing. What are you doing, Skylar?
What's the degrees? Don't take it all.
3, 5.
350?
No.
Ew, stinky. We're gonna put these in the oven and and I'll see you guys.
Ryder, bro! I can't see
You just punched me in my chin.
I can't see you.
Why did you?
And I'll see you guys when we're back after they're done baking. We are back. I had a quick little outfit change. Did any of you guys? No? Okay. Just one. We have to for the video.
Yeah, because you can't.
Just one.
Yes,
Skylar, please.
Either you're not in the video or you have to do that.
Please just do it.
The stickiness gets in my mouth.
So
Okay,
then go like
then
this.
lick your lips. The cakes are done. We're going to tape everybody back up. They actually look so voluminous and juicy. I need to play my music. We are going to put them on these plates. And then we're going to start decorating. Wait, let me, hold on. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to put it, hold on. You're going to put it down like this on the plate, flip it this way, and then you're going to grab this plate and then flip it over again. That's what we're going to do. Just. Ready? So like this. and then you guys can do the next one. There's ready? Then you like this. Guys, why isn't your eyes covered? Yeah. Perfect, guys.
Perfect. Wait, let me see it.
That couldn't be perfecter. And then,
I don't think perfecter is a word.
then we grab this. Help. Okay, and then flip it again.
Wait, let me do something.
Oh. Ready? Perfect. I know, it's fine. We're covering it. Hold on, let's wait to do that one. Okay, frosting. Wait, should we cut off the top?
No.
A little bit. Watch, ready?
Let me cut it.
And we're not gonna have the blind one.
Come on, that's the fun of the
you can do
game.
the frosting first. The frosting first. Stop. Ryder, stop. I'm gonna eat a little bit. Yeah, and we have to have crumbles for the top too.
Ooh, Mitchy Munchy crumbles.
We just took this top layer thing of the cake off, so it's a flat base and then the top thing doesn't like smash around and stuff. Okay, let's grab a new knife.
Here.
I know, here, start using. Ready?
For what? Frosting?
We're using cream cheese frosting.
Oh, yes. I got it. Am I in?
Huh?
Am I in?
Wait, I can't do that. What'd you say?
Is it in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Try not to get the red in there because we need that for the outside.
Okay, so we're currently frosting the cake.
They're frosting the inside part of the cake right now. They keep going over the same spots.
Well, I can't see it. And she can't hear me, so I don't even know.
Wait, let me hold. Ryder, hold on. Yeah, there you go. I don't know how much we're gonna have for the outside. We might have to run to the store and get another, another can.
Smells like mommy's gel in here.
Okay, we're gonna put the next layer on. We cannot mess this up. Uh-oh, I'm scared. Okay. Almost perfect.
Alright, I'm cutting.
You know what? It's pretty good. Why is it? It's fine. It's pretty good. Okay, now you have to be very light, Ryder.
No, I'm cut.
Light fingers, okay? You're right on it. Low-key are eating this up. We're frosting it right now.
Who does she think she is?
We are gonna sign our names on it.
She always thinks she's the best chef in the whole entire
Should we do the
game.
sides?
Even though she can't
Let's
even
do the
hear me,
sides.
she's
Or
not
should we
even
just
doing
have a thick layer on top? What? Thick layer on top? Okay.
She's really not the
Honolulu,
best.
just to get that Maui. Wow. Wait, I'll just put it
Also, every night she sings in the shower. Actually, she doesn't shower every night. Yo!
You did it on yourself! Yeah, and you're looking! You did it on yourself! This is a lot of frosting on top. Should we do it on the sides? Wait, no, we're not gonna have enough. We will?
Yeah, look how much is on.
Okay, make sure not to be looking, Ryder. Oh, so you just magically knew where the container was in my hands? Yeah, you're looking! No, Ryder, you're not gonna have a piece of cake if you keep looking. Back to Honolulu just to get that. I don't know what you're saying. Okay, we're frosting the booty cheeks of the cake right now, the butt. Hey, Ryder! I know you're looking too. Wait, what? I know that he did that. On the sides? Okay, Ryder doesn't get any cake because he's looking. And getting.
Wait, are we done?
No. So.
Wait, no, I'm not writing my name with the.
Yeah, you are. You're blind. So here is how our cake is looking. It looks super good. We have this red writing icing, and we are going. You need tape on your mouth. Oh. We have this red writing icing, and we're going to write our names on the cake because we're the one who made it. Here, do you want to grab the camera and do up close shots, Skylar?
I want to do it too.
I know. So like you do it.
Oh, I think I just.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
Ryder, you go first.
Yeah. Wait, no, because I have a tool.
He made a tool, guys. He made a tool. But make sure that you have to keep your eye closed.
I know, brother.
Okay, do you want to go first, Skylar?
Sure, but I'm not gonna put tape on my mouth again. I got like poisoning.
She's mute, but she doesn't want to put it on her mouth. Okay, go.
What am I gonna put?
Your name.
Skylar?
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh, I'm listening to music. This is how her sky looks. Okay.
Okay. Brother Nene's turn. Let me record.
Cute.
That's actually really good.
Okay, I'm putting my name up here. I'm gonna put Nixie.
Kind of looks like ketchup.
Wait, where am I gonna put mine?
Along
Right there.
here.
That's
No, because I'm gonna go like right here.
too skibbity.
Go like
You guys are blocking everything. You guys are actually being so mean.
N I X
Oi.
Y. What's that? Wait, go above, Ryder.
I feel like Ryder's gonna drop it in the cake.
It's gonna just squirt out. Ryder, we are not doing all of this right
just
now.
Be quiet.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
hating on a man's dream. So this should give me the perfect angle and tilt.
It's
What's on your
not.
tongue, Ryder?
It's Pez.
Oh.
Right, isn't it? I know. First.
Put your headphones on, little bro.
We'll see you when Ryder's done with his experiment. Oh my god. Okay, here is our finished cake for the blind mute deaf challenge. I feel like we definitely failed.
No, we didn't.
Well, okay, our cake didn't fail, but we failed. You know what I mean?
But no.
You know what I mean?
Let's try
Jillian?
it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Wait, let's do a thumbnail. Hold on. Guys, come here. Okay, thumbnail's done. Let's cut into this cake. I can't believe we almost forgot that.
Oh my god! I just burped in my thing and I almost died and went back down.
That's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. So
I did not want to hear that. Okay, first cut
Oh, she got the I and the N. And
into the cake. We don't have I'm scared.
Oh, that looks so skippy.
Okay,
No. Ryder and Skylar cut theirs. I'm gonna try the cake.
Wait for me.
Yeah, wait for us.
No, I'm too hungry, guys. The perfect slice of cake, or the perfect bite of cake right here. Guys, it's looking really, really good.
Nixon, I think that it was dirty. It didn't get washed.
No, it was all washed last night. We did good. We did good.
I'm not a fan of the red velvet.
I love red velvet. That's why.
Did you guys know that red velvet is basically chocolate, just red,
Yeah.
dyed red?
Go, Sky.
3, 2, 1, guys.
Did you say before it even went in your mouth?
Give me that piece right there.
It's so soft. Not with your giant big tongue.
Isn't it good?
Really good. Who made that?
We all did.
That's some of the best red velvet cake I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah. Usually it's kind of strong and heavy, and that's like nice and light and fluffy.
So where are we going?
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. This is definitely a different video. Would you guys like to see Skylar and Ryder more? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, everybody.
Wait.